Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the session that matters. Open EQ Pro Tools and choose the correct template. Once done, set the sample rate to 48,000 HZ and the buffer to 256 samples, because stability and latency matter for precise EQ moves. Make sure your inputs are routed to the right tracks and monitoring is enabled so you actually hear changes. This first setup eliminates guesswork. It lets you focus on the sound rather than troubleshooting connectivity or sample rate mismatches later. You now execute the detailed EQ steps that shape the mix. Start by selecting the type of band, broad for tone, narrow for problems, because each solves different issues. Once you identify a frequency, sweep slowly between 200 and 2,000 Hz to locate boxiness, then apply a cut of 3 to 6 dB with a higher Q. Make subtle presence boosts around 3 to 6 kHz, using low gain so clarity improves without harshness. As you work, bypass the plugin to compare and trust your ears. You reach the final steps. Perform a /B comparisons and listen in context, because what sounds right solo may clash in the mix. Once satisfied, commit automation or render tracks and save distinct versions labeled V1, V2, final so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, crashes, glitches, or plugin errors, first check sample rate mismatch, CPU spikes, and plugin compatibility. Increase the buffer to reduce load. Finally, document the changes so you reproduce results next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.